Begin by removing the screws from the back of the extractor. You'll need a TX15 screwdriver. These two screws will then be replaced by the two larger screws included in the accessory kit. Take the rear section, place it like that, and insert the larger screws. To attach the plastic guide, line it up on the left hand side and push until it clicks. We then remove the two screws from the front. The front piece sits there, and reattach the screws. To attach the case, bump it against the guide and lock the clips.